Okay guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a tracker removal video in Nuke. Okay, so first off, go to this side of the screen and click S and scroll down, and for me my footage is 4K, so I'm going to set it to 4K, so just make sure your resolution on these settings is correct. So bring in your footage, so just drop down and read a node. And here's my footage. As you can see, there's trackers on there, so we're going to remove the trackers first off. So drop down a transform mask node. Then drop down a rotor node, so you can just shortcut and click O, like that, and plug the mask of your transform all into the rotor. And before we do anything more, let's just track a point. So drop down a tracker node, plug the tracker into the footage, and let me just make this screen a bit bigger. Add track here and place it right on the tracker. Make sure the mini box is like that, and just click V to track it through to the end. I'm gonna speed this up, and yeah. So once you've tracked it correctly and it plays through and there's no problems, you're gonna wanna drag this part of your screen up, and on the rotor node, let me just click this little button here. On the rotor node, on the Bezier tool, just circle this, and then once you've circled that, on the transform tool, wait 1 second. Yeah, on the transform tool, make it visible, and you can just do that. And now if you add the tracker onto it so it tracks through, double click the tracker, go to transform and match move and set to current frame. Now that is one tracker completely removed. Okay, so now we're just gonna repeat this. So I'm gonna repeat it with you, and then I'm gonna have to ask you to try and do it yourself. So drop down a merge node, put the background to that, and now if you view this, turn off history, there's one tracker removed on the laptop, and we're literally just going to repeat it. So drop down a transform masked node, then drop down a rotor node again, and connect the mask to the rotor node, and then drop down another tracker node and connect the tracker to the merge, and then add track, and just track it through. So just click V and it will track through. I'm going to speed this up again. Okay, once you've tracked that through and it is perfect like that, I would like you to go onto the rotor node, click off history, then go onto the rotor node. On the Bezier tool, just circle it like that. Circle it like that. Then on the transform all, click 1 so you have it in view, and just go down on the Y, and that is the tracker removed. but only for 1 frame. So now just add the tracker onto the, double click on the tracker, on the transform settings, match move, and set to current frame. Well, actually don't set to, it's -5, go to 0, 1. Set to current frame, and it is not working. Why is it not working? So once your tracker has tracked, go on to the rotor node, delete the history, then go onto the row node and draw around the marker like that. Then go onto the transform, click 1 and do that. And then it's only for the 1 frame, so if you go and drag the tracker to the, double click on the tracker, go to transform, match move, and set to current frame, it should now be perfect. Like that. Okay, so once you've done that marker, you can just repeat this process for the rest of the markers in your scene, and yeah, that's how you do marker removal in Nuke. Thank you for watching.